Hey there guys, today we're building this Maxi tunnel with our circle seat. Make sure you check out the description below, which has a list of all the tools, materials, alternative elements which could be used to swap out for this piece, as well as any other elements which could connect to it in some way. So just digging a little bit into the ground here so that the kids can still crawl inside and out of those tunnels there. We're just filling in a little bit more earth so there's enough room for the kids to crawl through those tunnels. Using truck tyres for this Maxi tunnel circle seat, we're going to cut just a little bit out of the centres of these ones, taking a little bit off of the sidewall. You don't have to for this piece, but we wanted to give it a bit more of a tunnel, a bit more of an opening for the kids to climb through. With these ones, always use a really sharp blade. We might have to go through quite a few, starts to get dull. Change it over instantly, it'll save you a lot in the long run. We've connected 4 of these tyres together and we've got 3 sets of those 4 tyres, and then we can use one of the tractor tyres on top. We can then mark out on the ground where they're going to sit. Now then we've got another truck tyre which is going to be sitting on top. Because we've cut out the top section of this sidewall, and we can just drill straight through this one, pop some bolts in there so the thing doesn't move around too much. Use them as a reference and then continue around for each one to bolt all of these ones together. Make sure you don't drill too close to the edge of that sidewall because it does get really thick and it goes on quite a curve there, so it can be hard to drill. Once we've got those 2 bolts in there for this one section of this tyre tunnel, we can start working on the next ones. So we've got that reference point and it'll stop it moving about too much. Always use really wide washers on these ones because there's going to be a little bit of movement going on here. Just have to tighten all these bolts up. We got a spanner on one side, a ratchet on the other, or a wrench depending where you're from, and you can use 2 spanners or 2 wrenches. This will do the job much quicker. So if you've got any of these bolts that are going to be protruding, make sure you cut them off. We're using an angle grinder for that with a cutting disc on it. Then we can use a hammer to beat any remaining parts of the bolt down to give them a nice rounded off finish. So for these ones we've cut out really nice big holes here, and that'll allow for water to drain through nice and easily. Once all of these pieces are in place, I find it's best to paint them beforehand so you can get right in underneath the ground line. Paint them however you like, have some fun with it. But then once that's all done, you can start filling in this earth. Wait for that paint to completely dry before you do that, of course, and fill it in. Compact that soil as tightly as possible. Stamp it down really hard with your feet, have a little dance on there. All of these designs are going to be so much easier if you have these step-by-step plans with you. Print them out, get everyone to have a look, and they'll make your whole life much easier. So this design, as well as all of our designs, are made to be used in conjunction with the free safety handbook, which is available from the website. It's just down there.
Hey, what did you think of the video? Please let us know down below in the comments. And please don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more of what Patrick's doing in India. You can go and visit playgroundideas.org, which has 150 designs and all the resources that you need to build an awesome playground. And lastly, we've got a ton more videos to watch, so check them out here.